Look at that, look at that. What a catch, everyone. What a catch. Wow. I don't think these guys that have been out here today caught anything.
Hook's out.
Hook's out the mouth.
Right, let's get the fish back in the water.
Yeah.
Leave it in the net.
Yeah.
I'll make that £19, 19.5 pound, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, we're getting bigger.
We're getting bigger.
Whoa, we're getting bigger.
Yeah.
£19 or 19.5 pound, people.
Wow. Look at that.
Whoosh.
Whoosh.
Whoosh. Look at the bend. Look at the bend in the rod.
That is it, people. Look, you guys have witnessed it today. Look at that. Wow. You've all witnessed it. Look, my burger's over there. You've got a catch today. Do you think that's bigger?
Fish.
Do you think that's bigger than last one?
No, but big fish.
Big fish.
Big fish. Brother, big fish.
A good vibes.
Right, let the line there.
Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow.
What did I say?
Wow.
What did I say? I'm going to start eating this second burger, and we're going to get a fish again.
All right, everyone, let's go. This
Big
is
fish.
This is the big boy here.
Big fish, the general. Look at that, people. They're not 12 pound. Wow. Look at it, posing for the camera. What a fish. Look at that, people.
The perimeter. What do you say, Marky Mark? It's that time again, yeah?
Gonna try a bit of dog biscuit.
Bit of dog biscuit, yeah?
Dog biscuit on the hook.
So what's the aim today? We're trying to catch another 18-pounder.
We'll have anything. We will have anything.
You hear that, people, yeah?
We're gonna try not dog biscuit.
Mark say he wants anything, yeah, but guess what? I'm hoping that we can get something along the size that we got last time, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Big up yourself. We're here. We're down by the pond. We're doing some fishing. And right over there, we're making some dirty burgers. That is it, people. Our good vibes. What's happening now, everyone? Yeah, we're down by the pond, and you know that you can't be by the pond. Look, there's Marky Mark there, sitting down watching Wagwan out there. Our good vibes. And look, we've got the burgers. We're making some dirty burgers. These are not quite dirty ones, because we need a few more things to make it dirty.
They're clean dirty burgers.
Clean dirty burgers. Our good vibes, people, yeah? That is it, outside. Yes, people, it's always a vibe when you come down to the pond here to do some fishing. That is it. We've got the burgers, them over there. We've got the setup there waiting, people, yeah. And hopefully we get to pull something nice out for you guys today, yeah. Yeah, man, I hope you guys are on the mission with me, giving back to the local community, helping the homeless people, yeah. That is it, a good vibes. On the 21st of this month, which is Sunday the 21st of July, I'll be on Surrey Street in in Croydon, and that is going to be from 12 p.m. until 7 p.m. people, yeah. We're going to be doing a big community give back, yeah, which we're going to be out community barbecue that day, people, yeah. So come out and come and spread some love and share the love and just enjoy the good day with us, people, yeah. That is it, outside.
Inside the method feeder.
Okay, so basically those little round balls there,
Boilies.
these are called boilies.
Boilies.
Yeah. Okay.
Egg-based, they're egg-based.
They're egg-based, yeah?
Egg-based, yeah.
All right.
Egg-based sweeties for the fish.
And can that catch any type of fish?
Mainly carp, but yeah, bream. Could catch bream.
Yeah?
Chub, yeah.
You see when we go down to the sea, it's not the same bait.
No,
We don't use
sea one lot sort of fish, squid.
Okay. Out.
Near the lily pads, that's where they're in and out of.
Okay, so they're swimming in and out of the lily pads.
Hopefully.
All right, our good vibes. Yes, people, that is it. So, as you can see, we're out here, we're on a mission. Marky Mark is just setting it. That's it.
All right, and a little bit of attractive around it. Look at the bend in the rod.
That is it, people. Look, you guys have witnessed it today. Look at that. Wow, you've all witnessed it. Look, my burger's over there.
Burger's over there.
Yeah, look, we're not paying attention to burgers no more. Now, this is what we actually came out for, everyone. Look, something's coming out the water.
Big fish, people.
Big fish.
Big fish.
Big fish.
Big fish. Look at the bend. Look at the bend. Brother, you have to feel this. Come and feel this.
Wait there, let me put him down.
Set the camera. Come and feel this.
1 second. Let's get him up there. Wow. Woo! Wait there, Mark. Set the camera.
Big fish, brother. Big fish. Come and feel this. Come and hold that rod. Yeah?
That's big fish.
You got him? You feel that? That feel nice?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Good vibes.
Keep the rod up.
Yeah.
Want to land him?
Yeah.
Lift the rod up a bit. Big fish.
Big fish.
Big fish. In fact, it's that much of a big fish. It needs a big net. Big fish needs a big net.
Look at that. We've got a catch today. Do you think that's bigger?
Fish.
Do you think that's bigger than the last one?
No, but big fish.
Big fish.
Big fish. Brother, big
Let's
fish.
get good vibes.
Right, let the line then. Right.
Look at that. Look at that. What a catch, everyone. What a catch. Wow. I don't think these guys that have been out here today caught anything.
Hook's out.
Hooks out the mouth.
Right, let's get the fish back in the water.
Yeah.
Leave it in the net.
Yeah. A good vibes. Have a look.
Big fish, big fish.
Have a look, everyone.
Big fish.
Have a look.
Big fish.
Show some love, people, yeah. Show some love. Share the like. Share the live, people. Show some love. This is what we've been out here doing. Woo! This is what we've been out here. Let's get him back in the water, man.
I want to get the rod on the spot.
Yeah.
We'll do some pickies in a minute. Look at that. I can sit in there safely. Wow. Well done, brother.
A good vibes.
Well done. Well done.
What a evening by the pond, everybody. We've got the catch. Yeah, it's there in the fish net. We're gonna weigh it up and give you guys the verdict. Put in the comment section right now quickly. What do you think that fish weighs, people, yeah? Mark's having his burger. We're gonna time it.
First, we're gonna weigh this up, people.
Yeah?
Look at that. Look at that, people. Yeah?
That is it.
Let's weigh it up.
Weigh this one up, Mark.
Weigh it up.
That's something going on down there, you know? Big things are going out here, people, yeah? So look, guess what? We've got something in the net right there. We're gonna weigh it up in a second, people, yeah? Our good vibes. Big up yourself over there. We're down by the pond, people, yeah? Look at that nice, beautiful sunset. Look at that colours in the sky, people, yeah? Our good vibes. That is it. Wow, look at that. Wow, wow.
What did I say?
Wow.
What did I say? I'm going to start eating this second burger and we're going to get a fish again. And what happened, people?
Look at this.
Ringo.
Is it a big one?
No, it's not big, but pick me burger up.
Mark dashed the burger on the floor, you know.
I need that, people.
All right, our good vibes. Our good vibes. Our good vibes. That is it, everybody. Yeah, big up yourself. Look, we've got something else out here, everyone.
Do you want to feel this?
Let's have a feel.
You want to feel it?
Let's have a feel. That is it.
Feel the power of it.
Good vibes, everybody. Yeah.
Feel that.
Wow.
Yeah. How's that feel?
Powerful
Keep
fish.
the rod up. Nice.
Look at that.
Big fish.
Yes, people, so we're out here by the pond and
Big fish.
we catch big fish.
Big fish.
When we say we catch,
This is the second big fish. Small fish, but big fish. Right.
our good vibes now, we have to have the light on out here because it's got a bit dark now, people, yeah? And yeah, we're gonna weigh up the fish, people, yeah, our good vibes.
Look at that, people. Dead on 12 pound. Wow. Look at that, posing for the camera. What a fish. Wow. Right, look at the mouth, people. Come here. I believe this is a boy. Look at the length of that. I believe this is a boy. Right, come here, boy. Right, look at the mouth, people. Look at that.
All right, everybody. So look, we've got how much is that one weighing, Mark?
£12, dead on £12, people.
Dead on £12.
Immaculate, immaculate common.
All right, everyone, big up yourself. Thank you very much. We've got one more to weigh. Our good vibes. It's been an amazing catch. You can see the size of this one here. That is it, people. It's a sport, and it's been a very good sport today because.
Should we release him?
Yeah, we release him. Yeah.
Do you want to follow me?
Yeah.
Here we go, people.
Let's go.
Right. Go. Ready?
Yeah.
Look at that. What's he got? Wow.
Gone back in his beak.
What a fish. Beautiful. What a fish. Second of the grace, people.
All right, everyone, let's go.
Big fish.
This is the big boy here.
Big fish. The general.
The general.
The general. The first one. The first one this evening.
All right, this is our first catch. We're gonna bring him out. You just saw the other one.
This might be a gill.
Yeah?
Yeah, maybe. Right. Big fish. Big fish. Whoa, big fish. Wow.
Wow.
Big fish. Big fish. Look at that. Look at that in her tights. Look at her in her fishnets. Fish in fishnets. Fish in fishnets. This is a female. This is woman. This is all woman.
Yeah.
This is all woman, people. Right. Calm down, girl. Calm down. Right. What are we saying, Ringo?
16, 17 pound.
Right. I tell you what. You're definitely picking this game up quick. Right. Let's see if Ringo's right. Oh! Thank you, people. Oh, that's a heavy one. Need a bit of light. Need a bit of light. You gonna hold? Wow. Oh, that's a big girl.
All right, everyone. So you can see where I've gone. So yeah, we've got a catch, and we're weighing it up right now just so that you guys can see the weight and the size of and what we've actually got today. Our good vibes. Big up yourself.
No. Don't want to hook up. You know what it is? We need to get a sling. I've got a sling, but we might. Right. Let's try it like that. Wow! Wow! Look at that, people. Wow. I'll make that £19, 19.5 pound, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, we're getting bigger.
We're getting bigger.
Whoa, we're getting bigger.
Yeah.
£19 or 19.5 pound, people.
Wow. Look at that.
Whoosh.
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 Wow. Fishy. Wow, look at that, Ringo.
No,
Look at that.
yeah.
Look at that. It's a girl.
Girl.
Yeah, I would have said it's a girl. Yeah, look at that. We're getting bigger, brother. Girl.
That is it, everybody. So we're doing the right thing at the same time. Let's put her back in. Our good vibes.
Wow, what a fish. Right, say goodbye to next time, people, when she's a bit bigger.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow.
Look at that.
Ringo, big up yourself, brother.
Our good vibes, Mark.
Thank you for coming tonight.
Yeah.
She's gone, brother.
Yeah, she just jumped out.
She's gone.
Big up yourself, everybody. 24-hour kitchen. Cooking with Ringo Vision. Marky Mark, big up yourself.
Big up yourself, brother.
What an evening.
What a night.
What a night. That is it, people, yeah? Outside, one love.
Secret location.
Secret location.
Roy.
Roy.